Question 27 is a goodwill calculation, but based on a complex group. So the setup here is that we have PB as the ultimate parent, which acquired 80% of the share capital of SD back in July 2000 X5. SD then acquired 60% of the equity shares of TW on 1st of January 2007 for $35,000. So the important point here is that when we are consolidating for the PB group, the cost of the investment by the subsidiary SD in TW is only in part an investment by the PB group. There is in fact another NCI here which owns the other 20% of the subsidiary SD. So when we come to calculate the PB group value of goodwill of TW, we'll start off by taking the investment that was made of $35,000, but then we'll make an adjustment for the indirect holding. So in this case, the NCI actually accounts for 20% of that investment, and so we'll take out $7,000. In addition to the $28,000 that leaves us with, we need to take account of the NCI holding of TW, and within the question it tells us that the fair value of that NCI is $31,000. We then compare these two figures to the net assets of TW at the date of acquisition, which again we are given in the question, and that amounts to $36,400, so that working those figures down, the amount that we would recognise as goodwill is $22,600, this option here.